Hi, this is the last warning to the people who is spreading the false news about me as well as about my profession, etc. etc. Let me tell you very clearly, I have a PAN card. If I provide the number that is related to my name is Kirutika Janarthanan. You need to understand few things. I lost my PAN card in Chennai. I was trying to apply for it, but I quit my job, so that process was on hold. And I came to Bangalore. While I was applying for the job, I have mentioned only the PAN number because people asked me about the PAN card and I gave the PAN number, and one of my mentors said that PAN number is enough. You can apply for the physical PAN card can be applied later. This is enough because that number is unique. No one is able to claim that. No one is able to destroy it. No one is able to misuse it. Because I did something for it and you have no idea about what I did for it. No one on this earth can claim the PAN card, and the number whatever is there in the PAN card that is related to me, that is related to me. Got it? This is Kirutika Janarthanan. Kirutika space Janarthanan, Janarthanan, Kirutika space Janarthanan, and I have the PAN card in this name. There is one PAN card under this name because after getting into Bangalore, I gave this number as per the advice of the HR. Got it? Then, for your information, I quit my job. After that, I got married and apply for any other job. In between, I have applied for one job that is related to system administration, that is in Decathlon. That is related to software. I have all the details. I have all the soft copies. They already conducted the interview, and the first round interview was over. That was technical. That was over, and the second round was related to sports. But I was late on that day because I had to, that time the shop was located in Carmelra, very far from my house. So, 5 minutes, 3 minutes as of my knowledge. The delay was only 3 minutes. But they said that, we have to keep the very strict rules because this is related to sports. You know about the brand Decathlon. I have a lot of things out of that particular brand, Decathlon. And I am so proud of being a customer of Decathlon. That time I was not able to get in the second round. After that I didn't apply. I didn't apply any job after that. You need to understand one thing. If at all, if there is anyone misusing this card, you can send the link, or you can, send me the link where it is stated. I have just one PAN number, and there I have my name. First name is Kirutika, last name is Janarthanan. and I was trying to apply for the card, the physical card again and again, but unfortunately it was not linked with, at that time I didn't give the full name. You must understand one thing, that is not related to my issue, that is related to the state issue. Tamil Nadu state is having one rule, or maybe that's not the rule, but many people are following that rule. They keep initials instead of the surname or last name. They put initial. Most of them. I don't know why did they remove that sort of thing, because my grandfather was not having initial. My great grandfather was not having as such. My grandfather's brother was not having that sort of, they don't add this initial and all. They put the full name. And in my generation, after 1980, in 80s, almost all of them in our house, as of my knowledge, they put initial and they have removed the last name. But while applying the PAN, they never let us to put the last name. They always, they never asked us, or they never allow us to put initial. You need to mention the full name in any PAN card. You need to, when you are applying it for your company or as an individual, you need to mention the full name. Correct? And that is having the clash with all the certificates. All the certificates provided by the government, Tamil Nadu government, all the certificates are having initial. So I don't want to, in voter ID, I put initial. In Aadhaar card also I gave initial instead of the full name. But that is having the clash with the PAN card. That is not my issue. And I was trying my level best to apply it many times. But because of this particular reason, it was getting rejected, because it was not able to connect with the Aadhaar card. Is that my issue? If the Aadhaar card is not getting connected with the PAN card, is that my issue? I went to the places and I did my best to connect the Aadhaar card with the PAN card. But while applying for the physical PAN card, it is always giving the problem. It is not it is not getting connected with the details that is available in Aadhaar database, because it is able to fetch the data from the Aadhaar database, but it is not matching because Aadhaar is having only the initial and the PAN card is having the full name. Let me tell you very clearly, I am not going to reveal the PAN number. I have just one PAN number, and there my name is listed as Kirutika Janardhanan. That's my first name Kirutika, then the last name Janardhanan. If there is any clash, if you find any clash with this particular thing, as per the number, you need to contact the income tax department immediately. You have to contact them. You can anonymously, make a complaint. I can manage it. I can manage it. Don't play with me. I have so many documents and I have many proof related to it. If you play with my life again and again, this is the last warning to you, to whomsoever it may concern. If you spread any false news about me, if you try to do any fraudulent work related to my accounts or my mailbox, let me tell you very clearly, I have all the details about you. If it is related to your party, I am not in your state called Tamil Nadu, I am in some other state. If there is any issue with anything related to PAN or number or name, you can directly contact the income tax department. I can go and face the issue. I can also make a complaint who is using this particular wrong PAN card. I will find them out, because I did so many things. After losing the PAN card, I did many things for it. You don't know about it. You cannot simply hide the truth. You cannot simply make some sort of forgery with my PAN card. This is the warning, because after quitting the job in the, why should I have to tell their name? After quitting my job, I worked as a technical support representative 3. After quitting the job, I did not apply for the physical PAN card. And while I was trying to, in 2012, I went to the college that is located in HSR layout. Completed the course in 2013. In 14, Aadhaar was applied. They introduced Aadhaar and all the metrics, everything were taken biometrics. And after that, I was not able to link these two. I didn't apply because I didn't work. So I didn't apply. I thought of renewing it or cancelling it after getting into the, whether it is fashion designing or something else. I thought that I can apply it later, because nothing is going to happen, because I am the only person having that particular card and I am the only person carrying that particular number, and this is the first name and last name. First name is Kirutika, last name is Janardhanan. And if you find anything wrong with any information, you need to contact immediately. Either you need to contact me, I can give the clarification, or you can contact the respective department. From them, if I get the call, I can manage it. I can go and clarify their doubts, and also I can make a complaint. And also I can also make a case against the person who is who is able to misuse that particular card. Got my point? This is the last warning to the people from Tamil Nadu spreading the false news and making lot of forgery on my back. You are doing lot of things on my back. Don't think that I am not aware of it. Don't think that that is going to pay you something. It's not going to pay you anything. You will be under soup. You will be in the soup when I face you in the court. Got it? And this is for the information to each and everyone. I have the PAN number. If I give you the PAN number, that I am giving you the copy as well. In that scenario, you cannot deny anything, you cannot say anything as such. Because without that PAN copy, I am not going to give you the number alone. Everywhere I gave you the soft copy or the hard copy. If at all If there is a clash, you would have contacted me many times. Don't try to play with me. It's not a joke. And if you are trying to do any sort of nonsense on my back, let me tell you, I will file a case. I will file a defamation suit against you. This is the last warning to you. Wrap it up and just wind it up and get lost. This is the last time. If I see you again, no, it's not like I'm going to see you again. This is the last time. I have the PAN card. If I give you the PAN card number, I will give you the soft copy. If there is a clash, then you deal with it. Or send the link wherever it is there. Let me know about it. I can go and deal with the respective department. Because I need to stop who is, the one who is misusing it or doing some sort of forgery on my back. I have to stop it. There is no confusion. Only one card. I have the hard copies, soft copies, all the documents related to it. Many documents are there. Don't think that you can do some sort of nonsense and you can do any sort of thing on my back. If at all, if you are getting into the court, I will file a defamation suit as well as I will penalize you for your nonsense for years. That happened for years. I'm waiting for you. I'm eagerly waiting for you. Get lost.